Now that you've set up your Edpuzzle account, it's time to create some classes. Starting out is easy. Just visit edpuzzle.com, log in to your teacher account, and click on My Classes in the top menu bar. If this is your very first class, you'll see the Add New Class and Google Classroom buttons in the middle of your screen. Use the Google Classroom option to directly import one of your classes from Google. Otherwise, click on Add New Class, which will open up a new screen. Enter a name for your class and add a description if you like. Select Classic for your class type. We'll tell you all about open classes in another one of our YouTube video tutorials. Click on the Create Class button and you're done. Your new class is now ready to go. On the other hand, if you've already created other classes, you'll find the Add New Class button in the left menu bar below your existing class or classes. Click on it and you'll see a small drop-down menu with Create a New Class and Google Classroom. Follow the same steps as before to set up your new class. If you use another LMS like Canvas, Schoology, Moodle, etc., you can create your classes directly in your LMS. Check out the rest of our videos to learn how to invite your students, where to find your class code, and more.